Welcome back, guys. So wherever I look on social media, everyone is talking about that a major dump is right around the corner on 1st February when US interest rate decision will be announced. However, the reality might be quite opposite. To start with, let's see why people think that yes, a major dump is coming. To start off, we can look at this area over here, 12,000 to 12,200. This has been a very strong resistance since November 2022, and we can see 1, 2 and 3 rejections have happened from this point already. Now we are here at the 4th time, making a double top pattern also, so hence quite strong resistance. Not only this, we have the 200 moving average in red sitting at 12,128, so another factor telling us that this is a very strong resistance. Also, if you look at the RSI, we are at 64 currently. We went up till 75. Also, if I quickly drop the fib levels, you can see that this rejection actually is the rejection from the 0.5 level, which is known as the star of the gold zone. So actually a very important rejection, 12167 or 12150 roughly. So altogether, these factors telling us that yes, this is a very strong resistance area. However, there are some very interesting things that are happening right now in the US market which no one is talking about, and that can actually cause a pump in the market. Also, we have noticed that a lot of you are watching the video, however you have not subscribed or liked the video. Please take out some time out of your busy schedule to like, subscribe and share this video. First one being is this bear flag channel that the price was in before. We broke down from here, came back to retest, failed, and finally we were able to come out of this, and now we are testing the bottom part of this channel. So yes, trying to find support 11,900. So if market stays around this number, actually 11,800 to 11,900 by the time we reach US interest rate decisions, and if they actually do 25 basis point, then yes, this point will act as a springboard that might push the market towards 12,500, 13,000 level. Also, if I quickly draw up a small trend line telling us again that 11,800, 900 area is actually quite important, a retest of this and a bounce from here can actually be very nice. Not only this, let me jump over to the weekly chart and I want to show you something very important. Let me quickly zoom in. This purple line here is the 100 moving average on the weekly, and look at this nice pump happening from this point. And if you look over here, this was a very important long-term channel the price was in since December 2021. We have broken out of this and actually closed above this for the first time since December 2021. So this is a very big development for the market. Another thing to consider is if I jump over to the fear and greed index and I go to the timeline since January 2022, you can see that we haven't crossed the 75 point mark, which is over here. So we haven't actually entered extreme greeds for more than 1 year. So yes, quite the chance that there might be a pump that takes us to the extreme greed region, and then we might see a drop from there. Now let's talk a little bit about the US Fed interest rate decision itself. So if I go and look at the current estimate, it is sitting at 4.75, which means a 25 basis point increase. Again, if there's actually a 25 basis point increase, this might actually be very good. But there is some good news for the bears as well. That is, this is the first interest rate decision of the year, so this is a very important one. If they increase 25 basis point, basically they are giving away the fact that now we are moving towards a slower interest rate increase, or probably we'll stop doing interest rate increase in the next 4-5 months. So that will be very good for the bulls in the market. But for the bears, yes, this is the first interest rate decision. I doubted that they will be very dovish this time. They will probably be very hawkish and they will try to push the same agenda that we want 2% inflation, and then this is the reason why we will continue doing interest rate increases. So this is the factor that might dump the market, especially if it's a 50 basis point increase. And today also we can see market is struggling around 11,900, 12,000, trying to hold this level. So this is actually good. And in the last, let's talk about the VIX itself. A lot of people saying that this is the area from where we will see a bounce in VIX and that will cause a huge drop in the market. However, they are not looking far left. Look at this level here available at 15 points. So basically, if we continue this movement downwards, there is quite the chance that there will be a drop towards 15 points, and that would mean a nice pump on the market, which will be against what everyone is expecting, and it will liquidate a lot of short positions. So let me know which side you are on. Do you think a major pump is coming in the market, or do you think a major dump is coming into the market? As always, market is extremely volatile. If you're actively trading, please consider using proper risk management. Thank you for watching.